Hey, this is Ed with Eat05. Welcome back. And today we're gonna make a quick and easy appetizer. It's a white bean Caesar dip with all kinds of cool fixings. So this is a great alternative to your things like hummus or a charcuterie board, and it's a great way to impress your Italian friends and family. So to make the dip, we need 1 can of white kidney beans or cannellini beans. We need a can of anchovy fillets, some grated Parmesan cheese, you can buy it pre-grated or do it yourself, some salt, and a lemon. Now, we're gonna serve it with some mini cucumbers that we are gonna slice up, some Italian breadsticks, and some romaine hearts that we're gonna grill right up on the grill. All right, let's get started first with making the dip. All right, first, we're gonna use a food processor. You can also use a blender here. I'm gonna take the beans, I've drained them so the liquid's mostly out. I'm gonna add them to the food processor. And then I'm gonna add one of the anchovy fillets from the tin, a clove of garlic, about 2 tablespoons of the Parmesan cheese. You can just eyeball it. Pinch of salt, you don't need a lot because the anchovy and the Parmesan has a lot of salt in it. And then I'm gonna juice half of a small lemon. All right, so I'm gonna pulse that for about 15 seconds. And now it's blended up pretty good. And now I'm gonna pour in about a 1/4 cup olive oil as I pulse again, and that's gonna emulsify the dip and make it real smooth and nice. All right, that looks real good. All right, now we're gonna get this right up in this dish here. All right, now let's get ready to grill these romaine hearts. So what you want to do is you want to take out all the big leaves off your romaine, and basically till they're small, because you're gonna kind of a finger food. And you want to cut them in half. Keep this stem root area intact so they stay together. And then we're gonna brush each one with a little bit of this olive oil. And then let's hit them with some salt. And let's go over to the grill and grill these up. Okay, so remember, we put a little olive oil and then I added some salt to these. This grill is ripping hot and we're just gonna set these on here for like 10 seconds. And you can use, even better, an outdoor grill if you have one. You can even just use the open flame of your burner. And the inner part of the heart will grill up real nice, and then the outer leaves will wilt a little bit, and it's going to be a really good little flavor for this dish. All right, we made our dip, we grilled our romaine. Let's finish off this platter. All right, you want to take these cucumbers that are sliced, set them right here. I'm going to take some olives, put them right here, and then I'm going to take these breadsticks. Put them all over here. So it's like a Caesar salad that you eat with your fingers. Fun fact, the Caesar salad was invented in Mexico, but still by an Italian man, so we'll call it Italian. And there you have it, a white bean Caesar dip with all kinds of delicious accoutrements. Let's give it a taste test. You ready?
Mm-hmm. Not going big. Stick.
How do you rate it?
What?
10.
Probably a 9.
All right. 9 out of 10. Stay tuned. See you next time.
Hold on.